Hello students, welcome to Academic Aura. Today we begin with the second practice set 1.2 of Maths 1 of Standard 10th. Now see here, the first question is complete the following table to draw graph of the equations. Okay, now there is a table given here. We have to complete this. Now see here, there are two linear equations given here. Okay, x plus y is equal to 3 and x minus y is equal to 4. Now here the value of x is given. Now using the value of x, we will find out the value of y using this equation. Okay, now using this, x is equal to 3. Now here x is already given 3 and y is given 0. So we don't have to find this. Y is given 0 here. So we can write 0. Okay, y is already given 0 here. Now here the value of x and y is not given. Here y is given, but we have to find out x. Now how you will find out x? Write the given equation. X plus y is equal to 3. X plus y is equal to 3. Now we have to find out the value of x. So write x as it is, plus y is given 5 is equal to 3. Now x is equal to 3 plus 5 will come here, it will become minus 5. So therefore x is equal to 2, minus 2. So here we got minus 2. Okay, so here x is minus 2 and y is 5. Here the value of x is given 0. So write 0 here. Okay, so here it is 0 and 3. Okay, now the next one, see here, the value of x we have to find. Y is equal to 0. Y is given 0. Now we will use this equation and find the value of x. So we will take this equation, x minus y is equal to 4. So x is not given, so write x as it is, and y is equal to 0 is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. 0 has no value here, so x is equal to 4. So x we got 4. So here x is 4, y is 0. So 4 and 0. Okay, next is again write the equation, x minus y is equal to 4. Now the value of x is given minus 1. So in here we will write minus 1. Y is not given, is equal to 4. Okay, now minus y is equal to 4. Minus y is equal to 4. This minus 1, when we bring it here, it will become plus 1. So minus y is equal to 4 plus 1, 5. So therefore y is equal to this minus sign will come here, it will become minus 5. Here you get minus 5. Write minus 1 and minus 5 here. Okay. Okay. Now we have completed the activity question. So now we do the first sum of the second part. Here it is, solve the following simultaneous equations graphically. That means we have to solve these equations and you have to show them on a graph. Okay, now see here, x-axis and y-axis, we have to first fill in these boxes. For x, okay, for x we can take any number, like suppose we can take 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then using that we will find out the value of y. So here for x, suppose I am taking 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and also for here also I will take 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now using this I will find out the value of y using this equation. Okay, so first I will take x plus y is equal to 6. I'm taking a rough paper and doing it here on this. Suppose x plus y is equal to 6. X plus y is equal to 6. Now in place of x we will take 0 plus y is equal to 6. That means y is equal to 6. So here we got y as 6. Here we got 0 and 6. X is equal to 0 and y is equal to 6. Now the next one, again we will take when x is equal to, here you can write when x is equal to 0. Now next is when x is equal to 1. Write down the same equation. Now x we have to take 1 plus y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6. This one when you get it here it will become minus 1. Y is equal to 5. So we got, here we will write 5. So here x is 1 and 5. Next is when x is equal to 2. So we will take when x is equal to 2. So write down the same equation. X plus y is equal to 6. Okay. Now in place of x we will take 2. 2 plus y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6. This 2 when you get it on the right hand side, minus 2, y is equal to 4. So we got 4 over here. So here we get 2 and 4. Next is, again write down the same equation. X plus y, when, you can write when x is equal to 3. So x plus y is equal to 6. Now we will take 3 in x place. 3 plus y is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6. 3, get it over here, it will become minus 3. So y is equal to 3. So here we get 3 and 3. Okay. Now same way we will get this. Now write down this equation. When x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0. Write down this equation. X minus y is equal to 4. X minus y is equal to 4. Now here x is 0. So write here 0 minus y is equal to 4. Minus y is equal to 4. Okay, 0 has no value. So this y is equal to minus 4. Get the minus sign here. Here we get minus 4. So we get 0 and minus 4. Next, when x is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1. Now, write down the same equation. X minus y is equal to 4. Okay. So, x we will take as 1 minus y is equal to 4. Minus y is equal to 4. Minus y is equal to 4. 1 you get it here. It is plus 1. It will become minus 1. So, minus y is equal to 3. So, therefore, y is equal to, get the minus sign here, minus 3. Here you get 1 and minus 3. Okay. When x is equal to 2. Now you take x is equal to 2. Write down the same equation. X minus y is equal to 4. In place of x we will put 2 minus y is equal to 4. Minus y is equal to 4. This 2, get it on the right hand side, it will become plus 2. Sorry, minus 2 it is. It is plus 2. Here when you get it on the right hand side, it will become minus 2. So now minus y is equal to 4 minus 2, 2. So therefore, y is equal to minus 2. So here we get 2 and minus 2. Okay. Now see this. The next one is 3. Write down the same equation. X minus y is equal to 4. x minus y is equal to 4, and now in x here we will take 3, x is equal to 3. So here we will write 3 minus y is equal to 4. Minus y is equal to 4. This 3, get it over here, it will become minus 3. So minus y is equal to 1. Therefore y is equal to minus 1. So here we got minus 1. We get 3 and minus 1. Okay. So now we will plot this on the graph. So now we draw the x-axis and the y-axis. This is your x dash, y dash. Draw arrows here. Okay, this is your origin, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left hand side negative, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. Okay, now on top here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and minus 7. Okay, now let's plot these. Now see the first one. First one is on the x-axis we have 0, on the x-axis 0, and on the y-axis 6, that is positive over here. Okay, so mark this point. This will be 0 and 6. Okay, or you can write this later. Understood? So on the x-axis we have 0, on the y-axis we have 6. The next one, x-axis 1, okay, that is plus 1, and on the y-axis we have 5. So see now, x-axis 1 and on the y-axis 5. So they intersect here. So this is your second point that we got. Next, on the x-axis we have 2 and y-axis 4. Both are positive. So here x-axis 2 and on the y-axis we have 4. See here, 4 is over here and this 2 is over here. So both 2 and 4 will intersect here. Next, 3 and 3, that is x-axis 3, y-axis 3. X-axis 3 and y-axis 3. Here x-axis 3, on the x-axis 3 and on the y-axis 3. Okay, so now you can see, you can join that line. Now we do the next one, that is this equation, x minus y is equal to 4. First is 0, that means on the x-axis 0 and y-axis we have minus 4. Okay, so on the y-axis minus 4 is over here. So this is that point. Next is x-axis 1, y-axis minus 3. So x-axis is 1 and on the y-axis minus 3 is coming here. Okay, next is 2 here on the x-axis and y-axis minus 2. X-axis 2 and y-axis minus 2 here. Next 3 and minus 1. So x-axis 3 and y is minus 1 here. Okay, so now we join this also. here. They are intersecting here. Now first we'll just write all this. The first one was 0 and 6. Next is 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Next is 2 and 4. 3 and 3. Okay. Now here, this one. X's first one was 0 and minus 4. X was 0 and this is minus 4. 0 and minus 4. Next one was 1 and minus 3. 1 and minus 3. Next was 2 and minus 2. 2 minus 2. And this one is 3 and minus 1. Okay. After doing that, you can write the equation here of this line. The equation of this line is x plus y is equal to 6. And of this line, you can write x minus y is equal to 4. X minus y is equal to 4. Okay. Now we have to find the value of x and y. Now how you will get the value of x and y? See these two lines where they are intersecting here. Both the lines intersect here. Okay. Suppose we name it as P. Point P. Okay. Now where they are intersecting on the x-axis, see where it is intersecting. 5. Okay. So on x-axis it is 5 and on the y-axis it is 1. On the x-axis 5, y-axis is 1. So therefore the solution of the equation is x is equal to, x is 5 and y is equal to, y is 1. See on the y-axis it is 1. Okay, understood this? And one more thing, write the scale also. Scale is equal to, now 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Okay, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both the axes. Okay, so we have finished the first sum. So now we do the second sum. So same way for the second sum, first you can take your 1, you can take 0, 1, 2, 3. Here also I will take 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So now I'll take when x is equal to, when x is equal to 0. Use this equation, x plus y is equal to 5. Now in place of x we will take 0 plus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5. 0 has no value, so y is equal to 5. Here we get 0 and 5. Next, x is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, write the same equation, x plus y is equal to 5. So x we will take as 1 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5. 1 get it here, minus 1. Y is equal to 4. This is 1, x is 1 and y is 4. When x is equal to 2, write down the equation, x plus y is equal to 5. Now x is 2 plus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5. Get this 2 here, it will become minus 2. So y is equal to 3. Here you get 2 and 3. Okay. Now x is equal to, when x is equal to 3. Write down the same equation, x plus y is equal to 5. Now in place of x we will take 3. So 3 plus y is equal to 5. Now y is equal to 5. 3 get it here, minus 3. So y is equal to 2. Here we get 3 and 2. Okay. Now same way we will solve this. X is equal to 0. when x is equal to 0, take this equation now and find the value of y. X minus y is equal to 3. X is 0 minus y is equal to 3. Minus y is equal to 3. Therefore, y is equal to, get the minus sign there, minus 3. Okay. Now, write it here. So, we get 0 and minus 3. Next is when x is equal to 1. Now write the same equation. X minus y is equal to 3. In place of x, we will take 1 minus y is equal to 3. So minus y is equal to 3. 1, get it here, minus 1. So minus y is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. So therefore y is equal to minus 2. Get the minus sign here. Here you get 1 and minus 2. Now we take when x is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, x minus y is equal to 3. X is equal to 2 minus y is equal to 3. Minus y is equal to 3. Get this 2 here. Now minus y is equal to 3 minus 2, 1. So therefore y is equal to minus 1. Okay. So y is equal to minus 1. Here you get 2 and minus 1. Understood? Now we will take this. When x is equal to 3. When x is equal to 3. Write down this equation. X minus y is equal to 3. So x will be 3 minus y is equal to 3. 3 minus y is equal to 3. Minus y is equal to 3. Get this 3 here. It will become minus 3. So minus y is equal to 3 minus 3 will be 0. So y is equal to 0. Even if you get this minus sign, 0 has no. 0 is not negative or positive. 0 will be 0 only. So y is equal to 0. You get 3 and 0. So understood? Now this working you can also do it over here. Okay, on this page. Now after writing all that, okay, after finding both the values of x and y everywhere, now we will plot it on the graph. Now I've already drawn the x axis and the y axis on the graph. Scale, write the scale. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both the axes. Okay. Now see the first one. X is 0, y is 5. So x is 0 and y is 5. First point we get here. Next is x is 1, y is 4. X is 1, y is 4. 2 and 3. X is 2, y is 3. Again x is 3 and y is 2. Okay. Now join that and draw a straight line there. Okay. Now we take this, we plot these points. X is 0 and y is minus 3. X is 0 and y is minus 3 here. Next is x is 1 and y is minus 2. X is 1, y is minus 2. X is 1, y is minus 2. Next, x is 2 and y is minus 1. X is 2 and y is minus 1 here. So 2 and minus 1. Next, x is 3. So this will be on this, on the x axis. X is 3. Okay. We join this. Now see here, this was, first one was 0 and 5. Here you can write 0, 5. Next was 1, 4. next is 2 and 3, next is 3 and 2. Okay, same way over here. First one was 0, x-axis it was 0, and this was minus 3. So we will write first 0 and minus 3. Next one was 1 and minus 2, that is 1 and minus 2. Next is 2 and minus 1, and this is over here is 3 and 0. Here 3 and 0. Okay, now we will write the equation of the line x plus y is equal to 5. That is, this line is x plus y is equal to 5, and this line is x minus y is equal to 3. Now see, to find the value of x and y, first of all see where they intersect. These two lines intersect here. That means you have to see on the x axis. I will write first, therefore the solution of the equation is here. On the x axis it is 4. You can see here on the x axis it is 4 where it is intersecting. X is equal to 4 and y, and see on the y axis is 1. Understood? Now we do the next sum, the third sum. Now same way again we will write here 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2 3. Okay, now we will solve this. Suppose when x is equal to 0, first we will take when x is equal to 0. Write down this equation, x plus y is equal to 0. That means we have to take x as 0. 0 plus y is equal to 0. That means y will be 0 only. X and y both are 0 here. Next, when x is equal to 1, write down the equation again, x plus y is equal to 0. Now in x place we have to take 1. So 1 plus y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 has no value, bring this 1 here. Plus 1, when you get it here it will become minus 1. So y is equal to minus 1. So 1 and minus 1. Next is when x is equal to 2. Okay, when x is equal to 2, take the same equation, x plus y is equal to 0. Now in x's place we will take 2 plus y is equal to 0. Y is equal to, get this 2 over here, it will be minus 2. So here we got minus 2. So 2 and minus 2. Next is when x is equal to 3. Write down the same equation, x plus y is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 3. So here 3 plus y is equal to 0. Y is equal to, get this 3 here, minus 3. So we get 3 and minus 3 here. Okay. Now same way this one. Now when I am taking x is equal to 0, write down this equation, 2x minus y is equal to 9. Okay, x is equal to 0 means 2 multiplied by x. 0 is minus y is equal to 9. 2 zeros are 0, minus y is equal to 9. Okay, now minus y is equal to 9. Y is equal to, minus will come here, it will become minus 9. Y is equal to minus 9. So we get 0 and minus 9 over here. Okay. Next, when x is equal to 1. Write down the same equation, 2x minus y is equal to 9. Now in place of x we will take 1. So 2 multiplied by 1 minus y is equal to 9. 2 ones are 2 minus y is equal to 9. Minus y is equal to 9. 2 when you bring it here minus 2 minus y is equal to 7. So therefore y is equal to minus 7. Understood? You get 1 and minus 7 here. Next is when x is equal to 2. Write down the same equation. 2x minus y is equal to 9. Now in place of x we will take 2. That is 2 multiplied by 2. X is 2. Minus y is equal to 9. 2 2s are 4. Minus y is equal to 9. Minus y is equal to 9. 4 bring it here. Minus 4. So minus y is equal to 5. Therefore y is equal to, get the minus sign here, minus 5. Get 2 and minus 5. Next is when x is equal to 3. Write down the same equation. 2x minus y is equal to 3. Now 2 multiplied by, in place of x we will take 3. Minus y is equal to 9. 2 3s are 6. Minus y is equal to 9. Minus y is equal to 9. Get the 6 here. Minus 6 minus y is equal to 3. Therefore y is equal to, get the minus sign here, minus 3. Okay. Now we will plot these points on the graph. So I have already written the x-axis and y. I have drawn the x-axis and y-axis. I had made a smaller lines, but I have extended those now. Okay, up to 9. Plus 9, minus 9. Scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Now see the first one. X-axis and y-axis both are 0. That means first point you will get over here, 0. Okay. Second one is 1 and minus 1. That means on the x-axis it is 1. On the y-axis it is minus 1. This is 0. Both are 0 here. Next is 1 and minus 1. Next is 2 and minus 2. So x-axis 2 and here it is minus 2. Next is 3 and minus 3. 3 on the x-axis and here it is minus 3. See here. Okay. Now the next one. 0 and x-axis it is 0 and y-axis it is minus 9. Y-axis minus 9. Okay. So over here 0 and minus 9. Minus 9. Next is 1 and minus 7. 1 and minus 7 is here. 1 and minus 7. 2 and minus 5. So x-axis 2 and minus 5. Okay. See, on the x-axis it is 2 and y-axis minus 5. Here they intersect. Next is 3 and minus 3. 3, 2 and minus 5. 2 and minus 5 is here. Okay. Third one is 2 and minus 5. 2 and minus 5. And the next one is 3 and minus 3. That is over here only. Okay. Here. So we will join this. 3 and minus 3 is again over here. It is common here. Here also it is 3 minus 3 on this line. And on this line also it is 3 and minus 3. It is common. So common point over there. Now we will join both the lines. And this one. Okay. Now you can write this. The first one we have already written 0, 0, 1 and minus 1. 1 and minus 1. This is 2 and minus 2. Okay. Then this one 0 and 9 we have written here. 1 and minus 7. 1 and minus 7. 2 and minus 5. Okay. This is common here. 3 and minus 3. Okay. So it is intersecting also over there only. See here. So that means solution of the equation x is equal to, so on the x axis, see where it is intersecting, x is 3 and y is, and on the y axis, yeah, on the x axis it is 3 and on the y axis it is -3. Understood? And also this line will be x plus, also write the equation of the line x plus y is equal to 0. This line will be x plus y is equal to 0 and this line will be 2x minus y is equal to 9. 2x minus y is equal to 9. Okay.